Welcome everyone. Amen and a welcome everyone. Today we wrap up our travel drone series with a special story, moments of travel captured from above. They say the world is vast, yet we spend most of our lives looking down at the ground. Drones gift us a fresh perspective, a way to see the world from the sky. Today's story isn't about complex settings or manual guides. It's about pure memories, emotions, and how a single moment of travel transforms into a lasting visual narrative. It was a windy afternoon on a scenic island shore. I launched a lightweight travel drone weighing under 249 grams. I gently followed the clouds, rolling across the ocean and the shifting shadows cast by the waves. At that moment, I felt I had found an answer to what travel truly means. Looking down from the sky, the world and my place within it felt so peaceful and grounded. The perspective on screen captured a sense of depth and distance that smartphone cameras simply cannot replicate. On another morning, I woke up at 5 o'clock along a quiet southern coastline. There were no crowds and even the waves seemed to sleep. After verifying safety guidelines and airspace rules, I lifted the drone slowly into the air. As it climbed higher, the colors of dawn unfolded vividly. The sky shifted from deep indigo to purple, then warmed into a soft orange hue. That remarkable transformation was captured smoothly on video. It made me realize how often we forget the quiet beauty of a new morning starting up. Since that day, I often start my morning by replaying that dawn footage. Drones don't only prove their value in famous landmarks. Rural farmland, narrow pathways, highways, or even everyday bike trails look completely different when viewed from above. They turn into geometric patterns and structured compositions. I once filmed an everyday neighborhood street from a top-down vertical view. Clotheslines, garden trees, parked cars, and utility pole. Shadows appeared arranged like a deliberate piece of art. Drones have this magic. They allow us to rediscover everyday scenes we usually overlook from a fresh perspective. The greatest charm of drone cinematography is that the pilot rarely fills the screen. While modern AI tracking features make operating easier than ever, stepping out of the frame creates emotional space in the visual narrative. That empty space allows the viewer's imagination to fill the story. While personal vlogs are wonderful, scenery that captures the atmosphere without placing yourself at the center often leaves a deeper emotional impression. Travel inevitably ends, but drone footage retains the air, light, and emotion of those moments over time. When we return to daily routines and revisit those high-altitude views, they offer a sense of quiet, reflection, and that is when our travel truly feels complete. If you found this video or series helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on the next flight. Thank you.